Alright, here's Wesley and Garrett opening the birthday present, and let's keep little fingers out of the way. Okay, just a minute. You're doing alright. Just make sure Wesley's fingers don't get in there one of your times that you're chomping down.
Get it. There you go.
Is it your birthday, Wesley? How old are you going to be?
You're
You're going to be 2.
2.
Yeah, can you show me 2?
Hold on.
2.
Let me help you.
2.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
That was 5, but...
Bye-bye.
Can you go put the scissors? Well, Dad'll just take them. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so excited that he got a box. Wait till you see what's in the box. What's in the box?
Hold on.
I'm trying to back up because you guys keep getting closer and closer to me. Oh, you got paper too.
Oh,
Oh man. I don't know. They have those at the Children's Museum. Open it up. Yes, we're gonna open it.
It's a helmet.
Whoa!
Yay!
What is it?
Is it a hat?
Show me. What do you do with it?
What you lose it?
What's it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Is it a hat?
Yeah.
Can you put it on?
Put your hat on.
Oh, what a hat! Wesley! Oh, I like your hat. Are you sure it's not a seat?
Oh, maybe it's a seat. Try to sit in it.
Oh, see.
Want to put it down and sit? Want to sit?
And then you spin them around. Oh, in the box.
Sit right here. There you go, sit.
Okay, ready? Oh, you're kind of rocky.
There you go.
That's cool. Is it awesome? Can you say thank you? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye?
Bye. Bye-bye.